Hello students, today we are going to study grammar. Topic is prepositions. Pre means before and position is a place. First, let us know what is a preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to some other word in a sentence. For example, the food is laid on the table. A man is resting under the tree. Ria is going with Sheena. The book was published in 1999. The film will start at 5 o'clock. Atul's house is opposite my house. These are the examples to show us preposition of time, place and location. Now students, we will learn preposition with the help of a picture story. Let's start the story. The dog stands in front of Gopal's school with its front leg on the line before him. It moves between us across a road. It goes round a tree. It climbs up a wall. It jumps from the wall into a garden. It runs out of the garden through the garden gate. Outside the garden, it runs between the trees. It runs under a bridge. It runs towards Gopal's house. Now it is inside Gopal's house. These pictures portray Gopal's dog started a race from Gopal's school, went through different places and in the end reached Gopal's house. All these words such as in front of, with, before, between, across, from, out, etc. show relation of a noun or pronoun with other part of a sentence. Such words are called preposition. Now let us study preposition of time, location and place in detail. Prepositions of time. These prepositions are used to denote the time of the day, to denote parts of the day, months, years, seasons, and to denote extended time. Now let's see its usage. In the afternoon, in the evening, in the summer, in winter, in autumn, in spring. On for days, like on Monday, on Friday, on a summer evening, on a cold day, on my birthday, on my wedding day. At dusk, at night, at sunset, at bedtime, at dinner time, at lunchtime. Preposition of location. These prepositions are used to denote a point, to denote a surface, and to denote an area or volume in an enclosed area. For example, behind her store, Jenny has a flower garden. She also grows ferns below her papaya trees. Besides the papaya trees, there is a hose to water her plants. Sometimes she likes to sit on a chair between the two papaya trees. When she relaxes in the evening, she can watch many people walking by her store. Preposition of place. These types of prepositions are used to denote a particular point, to denote a place higher than a point, to denote a place lower than a point, and to denote a neighboring point. Here are some examples for preposition of place. Above, up, after, on, before, against, by, behind, below, along, near, down, in, at, across, inside, between, over. Now let's see its usage. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. The dog buried the bone under the ground. Our house is at the end of the street. The cat ran across the road. That's all for today, students. Thank you and have a good day.